Hello everyone, this is Andre Jones. I'm a Texas licensed realtor, the U.S. Army Gulf War veteran, and I wanted you to see this amazing home in Richmond, Texas. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 3,000 square foot home, and it comes with everything. It comes move-in ready. You get your washer and dryer, you get the blinds, you get the refrigerator, stainless steel. You also get irrigation system, tankless water heater. You can get up to $10,000 in closing costs. And here's the good part, a 4.99% interest rate. You can't beat this great house. Take a look at it and tell me what you think. If you want to set up a showing, please give me a call, 832-883-0375, or go to my website, andresjones.com.